Hi, my name's Adi. I'm from Teaching Technology Across Generations, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use system preferences on a Mac computer. So this is the system preferences icon, and all I really have to do to open this is double tap, and it'll take me to system preferences. So one of the most common uses is how to change your screensaver. So as you can see, we have all these different options, and you can just click on a new type, any one of these, and it'll change your background to that. And you can scroll down and check out all of these different options. Another way to change it is use your own photos. All you have to do is click on that photos button, and then you can choose from any one of your photos. Another helpful tool in system preferences is this language and region tab. And as you can see, I have English and Chinese on my computer. And you can just press this plus button. And then these are all the languages that Apple offers to you. And you can simply choose any one of them. Over here, I'm going to choose English. And if I wanted to, I could just press add. And that would add that keyboard to my computer. So another useful feature on system preferences is your Bluetooth tab. So over here you can see what's connected. So you can see my AirPods and my mouse. Well, my AirPods aren't connected, but my mouse is. And you can turn your Bluetooth off or on. So if you're having connecting issues, this button might be the reason why. And you can also make your Bluetooth in the menu bar with that checkbox. And you can see I'm connected with my mouse and my charge on it. And I can disconnect my mouse, I can rename my mouse, or I could remove my mouse. So for fun, I'll try to rename my mouse, and I can just rename it to anything. So I'll just put some letters, and then I just press rename, and it'll rename it for you. Okay, and another useful feature is going to be the mouse. So if I click on the mouse button here, you can see your scroll direction. So if you're having issues scrolling, then you can do that. And your tracking speed can be altered with this bar, and your secondary click can also be adjusted. So this is a useful feature to know on system preferences. And again, now you have your date and time block, so you can click that, and you have options. If you want to change your date to something else, then this would be the place to do it. You can see it's December 20th. I would just type in something new there, and you've got time zone. And your date and time can be found over here. And oftentimes now we have issues on if your computer is sleeping when you don't want it to. So this bar right here you can slide, and right now I have it on never, so my computer, if I just leave it on, it won't go dark. But if I change it and scroll back, then now it's at 5 minutes. So it'll shut off only after 5 minutes. I can change it to whatever I want. So in your general tab on your system preferences, you've got a lot of options. So you've got your light or dark mode at the top over here, and that's going to change your layout. You've got accent colors, and all of these are called my accent colors. If I change it to purple, or pink or red, it's going to change what those look like. So that's just a personal preference. It won't change any settings, just appearance. And same with this highlight color feature. You've got all of these different options. You can choose whatever you want, honestly. Many other options here in general. And you've got your default web browser over here. I have Google Chrome. You can choose anything you want. So this is kind of a helpful place in system preferences. And the next one is displays. So displays is good for what you're looking at on your Mac. So you can adjust your brightness, and True Tone is described pretty well by Apple. So you can make your colors appear consistent in different lighting conditions. So if it's a dark room, that means your computer is going to change its color to adapt to that. And night shift, it's just going to make your color is warmer when it's at night to be easier on your eyes. Um, so it's just another preference for yourself. All right, that's all I have for you. Obviously, there's a lot more to system preferences, but this is a quick overview of common questions about system preferences on a Mac computer. Um, Please contact Teaching Technology Across Generations. If you have any more questions, we'd be happy to help. You can leave a comment down below and we'll make sure to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you here again and let us know if you have any questions.